The fundamental difference between what Convair produced and what I am producing is these frames were flanged here, here. These were laid on here, and then they were spot welded. Boom, 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 all the way down. Naturally, I'm not doing that. That would add even more complexity to this project. So my goal is to keep this channel opened so I can insert these speed nuts, which they're like 0.440 inches, so they're just a hair short of a half an inch. And of course they mount into there. This is looking really good as long as I keep the line on there. Should be a done deal. I'm just going to be tacking this on. Well, not a full seam bead, but not a tack, but definitely a weld. So I'm going to hit that just like that right there. Okay. When I'm playing around with these tacking, I don't wear gloves, I don't wear any PPE, but when I do the full seam welds, when I'm, enveloped in smoke and yada yada yada, I get plenty of ventilation. I'm very big on the whole particulate matter thing. It's looking pretty good. This is where I want it now, and it's not going to go anywhere. Oh. Finesse it just a scotch, just to make sure. Let's drop a bead. Really thin metal, so it's not really a bead. It's kind of a bead and a half and a bead and a quarter, something like that. Actually, I do need to turn my power down just a little bit. Much better. So let's see how bad I messed that up. Jeez. It's fine. Now I just come around the back side here and tack it all the way down. Kind of get it in the middle where it's nice and level. Well, every 2 or 3 inches I hit it. And after I verify that everything's flush, then I'll go back and put some bigger welds onto it. But that is how you, or how I do the frames. Sometimes they're oblong, on the one side is longer than the other because of the slope of the canopy and the angle of these longitudinal frames. So I won't be able to weld on this side. That's especially true on this one because I needed this to be curved or angled perfectly to accept the escape hatch. But the rest of them I get on the top, I should say on the top and the bottom, or the front and the back, forward and aft on the laterals. But that's how we do that.